How to share Instagram post to story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually post Instagram post to your own story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated Instagram, I want you to simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So let's say that you have a certain post or that you want to actually go ahead and post to your own story. So let's say this one right over here. If you want to post this, all you have to do is tap on this DMs icon over here, and you'll find an option which says add post to story, because most likely this is a sponsored post, so you're not seeing that option. However, let's say other than that, if I go ahead and select any other random post from this list, let's say for example, and if I tap on this little share icon, you'll find the option which is add a post to your story. So if I select add post to your story, I could basically just go ahead and then add this post by also tagging that person in this particular story. By default, they're also going to remain tagged, and that person will get notified that you've shared the post to the story. However, on another note, let's say that you're not being able to find those options. So if I go ahead and then select any other random post over here, so let me just go ahead and then open up somebody else's post. So if I go ahead and then select it over here, most of the times what happens is that you will simply not be able to find the add post to story option. That is because you can see at the top it says private account. So what happens is that when somebody has a private account, you will not be able to directly post that particular post onto your story. Instead, in that case, what you could do is you could go ahead and take a simple screenshot of this photo, and then you could come back to your story, and then you could tag that person and crop that photo in that way. But keep in mind that you can only share someone's post directly if they have public account and they have enabled post sharing. Hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.